Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we'll see, as you can see here on the screen, so we'll see what all the enhancement we have from the Moodle side in Moodle 5.1. Okay, so let me quickly come to the release note. So this is a release note for 5.1, and they have basically work around three things, that is AI, UI, and the security stuff. So these are mainly three stuff they have mostly work with in Moodle 5.1. Okay, so if you see the at least your PHP version should be 8.2 now, then only the 5.1 will be working. Otherwise, it will not support for the lesser PHP version. So sodium is required as previous version. Max input where at least it is already there. So in the previous version, okay. And MySQL version you see here, at least 8.4 is required, MariaDB 10.11, and same you see here for the others. Now directly jumping to the major feature. So they have introduced the restructuring kind of concept here. So if you come to see their structure, you will find here everything coming inside public, and they have put git stuffs in the parallel of public. You have leave, then you have admin. Okay, so let me come to see here. So this is 5.0. Git will be here in parallel with public, and most of the file they have moved to public. Okay, so if you install by default, your main URL slash public will be uh, running. But in case you are making the mapping properly, you will be able to execute on the main URL itself. And I have already created the video around how you'll be able to install Moodle for 5.1 and how to reduce slash public from the URL. Okay, so let me take you to that particular playlist of my YouTube channel. From there you can take a reference and you can try installing the 5.1, and even you have already installed, you can go for removing. How you'll be able to remove the introduction of this particular new directory slash public, okay, from the URL, how you'll be able to remove. So quickly coming to see here, playlist 5.1. So if you come here, I have already published two video. That is, the first one is installation and what all the issue will be facing during the installation. So I have also started fixing in the installation part, so that is why you see it is taking longer, around 18 minutes of video. Okay, and then how to access 5.1 without slash public in the URL. So I have also created this one. Alright, so these 2 points is cover restructure of code directory and this one. Okay, so if you want to understand more around the restructure, let me explain in the details. So git they have put it here on the main root directory. Okay, this particular structure itself put some more from the security point of view. Okay, so you can say Moodle is more secure now, because if you are on the git, the public listing will not be directly accessible, because if you have to basically point out this particular directory to access from the web. Okay, so this will be accessible from web and within this, of course. But before this public, so whatever coming here should not be accessible. That means you are able to restrict direct access of git ignore, direct access of these attributes, direct access of config, composer. So everything will be able to eliminate with this concept. Okay, and also direct access to the cron. Okay, so cron they have put it here in parallel to public. So within admin you will find CLI, and the cron you will find here, and purge cache also you will find here. Okay, the password reset kind of thing you will find it here. Okay, so this is how they have provide more security here. Okay, now coming to this, you will find here within this video itself how you'll be able to fix this particular error. And even in the installation part I have mentioned that one how you'll be able to fix. Now coming to the next part, so AI improvement, as I mentioned and highlighted this one, so they have improved the AI part. So earlier with the Moodle 5.2, that means the 5.0, we have the configuration of AI on the system level. Now they have introduced into course level or activity level also. Okay, so I have already created a course here. So coming to my demo LMS. Okay, so within this course, if I come inside this course, I will be able to find additional details here somewhere, but I have not checked. Even I am coming for the first time here. Okay, so not here, will not find. I guess somewhere around here. Accessibility toolkit, course usage, this. Okay, not here. Under server, you can find. Let me come to the other part. I will later come on that. So, okay, under plugins, you will find the AI. Okay, so availability restriction. So under manage restriction, you can find manage restriction by activity completion, date, graphs, date, grouping, profile. So these are all default. So I'm searching here AI. So now you can see here, you can see the AI provider you have. Okay, so there is a here improve error message new provider plugin. Okay, so coming to see how we'll be able to manage the new provider, that is DeepSeek. So if I create a provider, I will have feature here Azure AI, DeepSeek API, Olama, OpenAI. Okay, so this is covered now. So new provider plugin they have provided. You just have to put here, suppose I am going for DeepSeek. You have to put instance name, DeepSeek API key, and we're done with the setting. Correct? And AI placement, and here you'll find AI placement. So ideally, the course assistant placement and text editor placement. So if I enable this, then only it will be able to, you will be able to see at the course assist as a core on the course part. Okay, so let me come to the course. Here within course, add a user access control at the course and activity level. So go to site administration, AI provider, open AI provider, then API key, go to AI placement, course assistant placement, and text editor. So I have enabled scenario one, create a new course with a page activity. Apply this. Okay. So within course, I don't think I will be able to access at course and activity. So, but they have given here. It should also appear at course. Okay. So let me search here something AI tool. No. Okay. So directly jumping to add here page level activity. Activity. I can search here page. Page is just a resource. I can double click, then I will be able to add here. So this is sample page. Alright, I just pasted here. Now I can see the restrict access. I can add access, add restriction, user profile date, so nothing here, completion, appearances, completion condition, tag, competency, so nothing here. Okay, so let me try adding first. So this is content. Sorry, permission. Okay, okay. So now under permission, I guess I will have that feature. So view page, configure course competency setting, course height. So manage activity, manually mark hidden activity, manage all, see full picture, Flickr public repository server file. Oops, I don't see something here. Nothing here. It's a manager. Okay, so I can't see. I think I will have to add, because ideally this particular tool should be added either on the course on the activity at the bottom, but currently it is not appearing. Okay, so like this it should appear either at course or activity.